To add a new language to your keyboard on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and 7 FE, first of all we need to go to Settings. Next we're gonna scroll pretty much all the way down in order to find the General Management. And after that we can go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. In case you don't have it over here, you can open the keyboard below and then go to Samsung Keyboard. Now we can open languages and types, and you should be able to find manage input languages. So select this option, and now you can download any language that you wish to have on your phone. So let's say in my case, I'm gonna download, you can also, by the way, you can also search for a language by tapping on this magnifying glass over here in the top right corner. So let's say I'm gonna look for the Polish language. There we go, let's download it. And once it is downloaded, you should be able to turn it on or off. So you will have these switchers. You want to enable languages that you wish to use. And of course, you should be able to find your languages over here in the main screen and the cover screen. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to change the language while using the keyboard, all you have to do is simply tap on this globe icon that we have on the left side at the bottom of the keyboard. And you can see the current language selected on the spacebar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.